At first, I began with rough sketch of the character and the background. After that, I used the lasso tool to trace the character and filled it with base colors. While doing that, I also added dimension and basic shading to avoid the flat look and give the character some depth. I continued refining until the full character was complete. For the background, I followed the same process. I used lasso tool again and played around with ideas to make the room look modern and elevated since it's set inside a skyscraper. Once I finished the interior of the room, I moved on to the outer view, focusing on the building visible through the window. Then I started added shadows, shading, and highlights. I explored different lighting ideas to improve the visual impact and make the concept art look more dynamic and less flat. After that, I added extra details to complete the overall look of the piece. Finally, I did some adjustments and added minimal details to polish the artwork even further. And that's it. That was my process for developing this concept art.